Hi boys and girls. Today what we're going to do is I want you to get out a piece of paper, and then I also want you to get out two colors. Okay? So what you're going to do is on a piece of paper, I'm using a whiteboard for the video, you're going to draw me two circles. So one circle, two circles. And then inside your circle, you're going to pick two different colors to color them. So I might color one circle red, and I might color another circle green. You don't have to use the colors red and green. You can use whatever colors that you would like. So go ahead and pause this video and then you can get that done. All right, so I'm going to show you guys my circles, and I want you to hold up your paper and talk to me about your circles that you did. So I drew two circles. One is red and one is green. It kind of looks blue on the computer screen, but it was green. So go ahead and show me your circles and tell me about the colors that you used. Awesome job. So they're both the same shape. They're both circles. But what's different about the shapes? What's different about the circles? You're right, the colors are different. Awesome. All right, so we're going to be all done with that. The next thing that you're going to do is you're going to get out your math toolkit that your teacher gave you when you went to meet your teacher. Okay? Now, if you've misplaced your math toolkit, I want you to go around the house and see if you can find a few small objects that you can work with. Pennies, Cheerios work great. Maybe you have some little dolls that you can use. So if you need to pause me, go ahead and pause the video so you can get your math toolkit or get some little items that you have at your house. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to take our math toolkit and we're going to sort the items inside our math toolkit. Does anyone know what sort means? Sort means that we put things that are similar together. Okay, so in my math toolkit, I have a domino, I have a dice, I have a penny, and I also have a chip. Okay, so I want you to go ahead and I want you to sort your objects into groups based on how they're similar. You can go ahead and pause the video while you do that. All right, so I'm going to show you how I sorted mine. I put all the dominoes together. I put all of the dice together. I put all of, get it out of here, all of my little pennies together. And I put all of my blue chips together. How did you sort yours? Go ahead and share with me of how you sorted your items. Great job, boys and girls. Okay, so today what we're going to talk about is we're going to talk about items that go together. So I'm going to show you an item, and I want you to brainstorm what item you think goes with that, okay? So if I were to show you a paintbrush, what do you think goes with a paintbrush? Very good. Paint goes with a paintbrush. Can I use a paintbrush to write my name on a piece of paper? No. A paintbrush goes with the paint set. Good job. Okay. The next item I have is a pair of scissors. What does a pair of scissors go with? You're right, a pair of scissors goes with a piece of paper because I use scissors to cut a piece of paper. Okay. The next item I have is some dish soap. What does dish soap go with? Well, it could go with a few things. It could go with a dirty dish because I use dish soap to clean my dirty dishes, or it could go with a rag or a sponge because I put the dish soap onto the sponge and then I wash my dishes, or I wash anything I'm washing in the sink. Great job. The next thing I have is an eraser. What does an eraser go with? Correct. It could go with a chalkboard, Or it could go with a dry erase board like we have at school. And I write on the dry erase board and then I erase it off. And the last item I have, it's a little bit tricky. This is a little motorcycle. I don't know if you can see the little symbol on the side, but what would go with my motorcycle? Very good. Spider-Man would go with my motorcycle. Great job. So what I did today was I took items and I found the other item that goes with those items based on how they work together. So tonight, maybe you can find some things. Maybe you can find 3 things in your house that work together. So if I found a spoon, what would work with a spoon? A bowl. If I found a fork, what would work with a fork? A plate. Okay? So look around your house and see if you can find 3 things that work together. See you guys. Bye.